IGC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Here latest and hot news in Kwanamidi. Bremo. Nuti so we now subscribe ya or more than say we subscribe to the channel. The way I say we click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. When sir you be happen when the first person out sir beka a video. I feel we are now like video. My thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us. So now when you be here now who and someone else ewo Ghana memoano. I feel you be and someone about the toy yeponoso. Yiti a yes and Samira Ekosi, 40 years about to the Yiti here also.
You're affiliated to any political.
Yes, I want you to help me with the message. There are other opinions. There are two schools of thoughts. And no more kasa about this statement from Asamoah Gyan.
My brother.
Okay, we are not the questions now.
My brother. Wait.
One is saying, oh, they can we.
My brother.
I am no more affiliated to any political party.
I am no more. I am not affiliated.
With their kind.
Producers. Now, I haven't been fair to the youth and the people of Ghana.
Chremuchi.
Nanaya. Chrem.
I was in
Sports Nani, you know.
I said, Mebu.
You can't wear it, because you
I haven't been fair to the youth.
I can't hold to us right.
And the people of Ghana, one can ye. Also the youth and the people of Ghana.
Yeah, what's one name Mebu Ghana for any year?
Good. Yes.
Henceforth,
if in there,
I am not
me
affiliated to any political party. I will continue with my humanitarian work.
Mekwaso aye niema ebetimi aboa mbebu no se bia ya sabia hospital ana toilet no obetimi
your friend say tuache adwuma
eno ana
na hospital then tuache no kwa hospital doctor okay and help the youth of Ghana in my own small way
na maboa Ghana mbebu no wo akwania sabia so me kakra bia menya no me de beboa.
Nothing political.
Where for politics?
I wish all the political parties a peaceful election.
Was say Ghana political parties in NDC, NPP, CPP, gum why obia. Wamama batwa asumdwemu.
On the 7th of December.
7th December ekotwa bay.
God bless our homeland Ghana.
Yame ensira Ghana.
Question number 1. Thank you. Nana, before this statement, no name says Asamoah Gyan political party party.
NPP.
Fantastic. In the statement we need to say Quit NPP.
One quitting.
Chiremu.
Nanya Asamoah Gyan go around and say about sports.
Yes,
NPP for manifesto. Asamoah Gyan na eche.
Yeah, yes, sports now.
One manifesto was sports. But there's nothing wrong to say you found class a chair or more sports sector.
Nana to boss na question and beside answers now judge me to what it is. Yes, good. Me say. Me say. Statement net that's no. Before so we be bad. No one saw your political party being. Everyone ye.
Messi MPP.
Fantastic. And away now which name no. There are two schools of thoughts. One say Asamoah Gyan quit NPP.
One try this out.
Me bisa question me kasa me statement. There question me bisa.
I say me who nye me ni party say me ni party bia.
He's no more an NPP member.
Who be we nya question.
Me see me bisa question. There are two schools of thoughts.
But thoughts no nya question.
And the question mark
okay.
One.
They di kind.
Wait, say statement we say Asamoah Gyan onye NPP ni bioma na.
Afa no we bisa.
Afa no we bisa ba ko dey na video class. 2. Again a bet trigger Asamoah at this statement we be bonting. In your opinion, you first one on the ending come away.
Well, they di kind ya obi say onye NPP ni biom no. In fact, me who ne political card. They met me can say Brebia president beko eye parliament state of the nation Asamoah Gyan Kobi and no for showing
good
because we Ghana ni
yes
and so my penny beka be about Ghana na be a fast sports one no odi mo akotene was sports no ko tie bia from showing
okay
but who so ne MPP for no jele more and so from showing
oh yes
and what ya wa ha no de list by wo mo a eye manifesto wo mo bedi mo akotene e ma bi beka say wo mo mpe wo mo nye because bia wo mo kwa kwaye e kamia ye say bi ni mbe fili say wo mo ya affiliated to a political party wo mo nye but Asamoah Gyan ditum say sports de no wo be kwa kwache no aboa indeed on that sector, no sports the Asamoah Gyan Quits no. Utum some very fantastic ideas.
NPP manifesto.
Yes, sports no fantastic ideas.
The who you fantastic and I said they were one.
They are what they be some agent na mention.
Okay,
they will be agent one.
Okay.
Fantastic ideas as a sports person.
According to you.
Oh, what's what? Yeah, man.
Come on, me.
Imagine say now be say. Anti ideas as a modern the choir was sports. So I'm the year you man can be. Very fantastic ideas. What would them say? From that time, in fact, the buy no crana man focus say as a modern the more MPP no wa me carry. What we yes me who say wa radio station ba kwa or share that sports aspect in mu.
Okay.
Which looks like spokespersons on sports.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube.
But what watch them any other day.
Inti nana we no just we giant NPP and I said
me
like this.
Me me who ne say that statement ne kamia say e bi amanfo so pado dodo.
Nti
and I say ye ne say and ne Ghana odo hu kodom but that is also a mistake. Odo hu kodom political party bia na say say wadwuma and I say egu wadwuma enti baby a no to no wan hwa omo hu ne say owo ha na owo ha. Ebetimi enei adwuma a wo ye fast sports ho na ebetimi ase no emwa no.
Ntina the question still remains based on the statement from Asamoah Gyan.
He did not write that Wakwete or say I am not affiliated.
I am not doesn't mean I was and I'm not now.
I am not affiliated no as it's and just Wakwete NPP ana.
Debbie and just Wakwete political party.
Just only political party bia.
Debbie just only political party.
I think I'm on the floor me we anka musu mebe mana. Nti munye sad na moye.
No but also
when is
kasante me sahami enye mrank ma bo bi die. On a more serious note.
The second question now beside
no still on the first one.
Okay, first one.
Nana wo Efidadem before so obeba ha no. Now you are no more affiliated to Efidadem.
No, Semetro, I am no more affiliated, meaning I was there. But if I write, I am not affiliated.
Okay, Nana, you are not affiliated.
I've not been anywhere.
You are no more affiliated to Efidadem as say.
Good. But it doesn't also mean
I am not. Nana, you are not affiliated.
It doesn't also mean say if they need an expert advice and a professional advice from you,
they cannot consult.
They cannot consult you.
That's why we've cleared it. That
yes.
No
problem.
And says a political party, but among phobia
probably as a professional.
Yes.
As an experienced footballer.
I'm leaving on the same score now. Me dear say. Who say if that them say say you are not affiliated?
I am no more.
I am solo kind of line man.
I am not affiliated.
I am not.
You are not affiliated to if that them say.
No, if say me not affiliated to na say me hobby me omo
Asamoah Gyan
or say political party one specifying
no
one
problem
party.
with that. No problem with that. Or say
on you affiliated to any political party.
Any political party. Also say I'm no me ba.
Na man force to say.
Na me ba. That is what is
now
going
man
through the minds of our listeners.
Or your MPP ni.
Yes.
And maybe you clarify say on you affiliated to MPP in any way.
Say no on your politician.
On your politician. Also on your politician.
Into Wakwete NPP.
One quitting.
Have you known Asamoah Gyan as a politician?
Oh, what?
You all know Asamoah Gyan as a professional footballer.
No.
Komo bi ho na di we fitire ho mo bia man ho sesa ankomo ne ente blasters mu. Komo ani anim ai wo blasters mu mo ankonkonsa ne eti bi ne say. Asamoah Gyan ya MPP ni. Ena de da you ya NDC ni e wo blasters.
We enkwasi asem.
Wasem fitire ankomo. And the reason why people were saying this is because of parties, you know, how they use both of them during national tournaments.
Nana.
And Bibiano,
Asamoah Gyan as a footballer, I know MPP ni. Otumi win World Cup at Ghana.
Well, MPP me
no, Zena Akufo Addo. The day you and I must know ye NDC. You win the World Cup at the
Ghana. Make us say enkwasi asem nkontam. But the truth is that
Asamoah Gyan.
Bibi ehuna no.
You have a problem with Ghana. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with joining the political party.
Nana.
There's something wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong.
No,
there's nothing wrong.
Especially in our body politics here in Ghana.
It is because of how I politics.
There's something wrong, no?
Oh, Debbie.
That is why there is something wrong.
Yeah. Who not for?
Do you belong to any political party?
Me be a card yet.
So.
Me knew be a card yet.
But
me I've said say me matu about my political parties in me and NPP and this me
exactly. So you know the
me because me shed the nipa neka and the all ye na me de atoaba
yeah
enti eba even parliamentary crano matu both parties paying. Good. Different places.
Me cry at last weekend say
as we speak. Baby, I'm supporting.
But I think say you call Cape Coast now. Me now cancel. Then me who say political party win a metro abaman.
What would that?
Me who no cancel because me. Who year campaign and I journal mugu
it's a hot now taking.
When I'm taking decision. So I'm more at the cars by 18 a sasso.
Me sumiti hey.
A sasso no like this is one I do not count say any drivers no. Who say opponent back from the other side. Also light in the comfort to what also tiasma me can you
Bawa omunim how ye
so light into me to my
and you are right,
that is my reason
obi ane de
and yes I will be kunkofo
me so obi ane de
what will this statement
because me way is needless
really
statement where Asamoah Gyan by me to me needless
no
unless bibi
you just said Asamoah Gyan is
so what so if people assume if people are a brand what
Asamoah Gyan is a brand
so
Asamoah
what is wrong with being a brand and a businessman?
Ghana, your politics.
Yet way no cry about just one group of companies. One NPP, Juma, and this by a group where Juma so any and at the old yana. You are not afraid of anything or anyone.
Kofi businessman.
Why businessman?
Kofi Addo be can say.
Ibrahim Mahama say, Kufu ne man ye Ibrahim Mama. According to one, me nebusiam, Nisika when Yam the man. Wakama memati Yam and Kwana Sekufo and the more no ye Ibrahim Mama, not even his brother John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Nana.
But his brothers and people as affiliate him with NDC. But Oya Juma no can say, Oya Juma, our mining company, Juma giddy.
Nana.
Nana. How do I say, Omuya baby to me?
Omuya never baby. Nana. But the truth is that and Setiano Nina Enyepe.
Oh, Asamoah Gyan is a brand. He shouldn't be afraid.
He's not afraid.
He's afraid.
He's protecting.
You are watching Juicy News on
which image?
Hot news all time.
Which image?
Ibrahim Ibrahim Mahama. Nana.
Everybody has an
Ibrahim
image ni Asamoah Gyan.
Nana Ibrahim Mahama.
Football icon.
Nana tie me.
I don't do me
Chale munyi ma obi e microphone fi me ka me kwa. Sabe me kwa na bia me make sense. Nana me so munyi obi e microphone ka me kwa. Nana ne kre ne say. Na say me kasa gu aso me kasa gu mic tie me. I'm communicating with you. Okay. Tie me. Nana honestly speaking, me ni Asamoah Gyan ya adwen say it is a
Liberia president of free show your friends.
Mami we can
no your daddy.
No your football.
No your
icon.
No your footballer.
No on image. No your icon. What made the president? What the president? The image and then papa. Was he not part of a
you made a profound statement say the way I near politics.
Our body politics here.
Somebody must change that narrative.
No. Kofi Addo very good opinion on a specific issue Akoto under NPP. No koka wo opinion sincere opinion. O make catch us all your NDC. NDC ni ba.
No mo me two way. Me kaisa me work for that back on multimedia. As a journalist, me ni Lordina Mahama to kwan e Bruno.
O ye NDC ni.
Me ni ko Bruno o na to kwan other places but you do hono. Na event no show warm. It was so hot na me obi on me nam bia nim say me two way me pay hangi kura. Me wura ba say me e from.
Yeah, anybody in your house.
Your
choices. Fantastic mama.
And to me now na ye program no as a journalist mako bie me cover no. O show me.
Yeah.
And obi NDC papa bi kura. Na me hwim firi ne say.
No di who.
Strangely somebody also targeted me.
No picture.
And no try picture say ground. It's still on my phone.
Oh yeah, NDC.
MPP for accused me and I remember the last rally MPP rally. MPP for the woman flag she shem trim. Ebe dira me nchen so me mu twa picture say ground.
Can you imagine?
That same way as we speak today.
NDC force.
NPP be accusing me as being NDC.
NPP. So NDC force so accuse you so NPP.
Me no can say.
Yes, that is why I hear say.
NDC force me NPP.
That is why I hear say the rate at which
you hear about 2020. E wo fida dem.
Fida dem ho me kai.
They threatened me. NDC threatened me.
Yeah.
Ebinom.
Yeah.
Threatened me so am the articulator be fa me so.
Yes, true. It's true.
Ebi crash e ma me report wo headquarters ko ho.
Yeah.
I had some guts.
Yeah.
And as we speak, what's be NDC? What's be NPP?
That is it. That narrative needs to be changed.
That is it. You see,
Solo Kasa.
Asamoah Gyan, a wise man.
Watching juicy news on YouTube.
He's taking a wise.
Are you saying that?
No,
as an insult to others who feel that they would be, they don't mind. They want to.
I am talking about Asamoah Gyan. So who opinion?
A wise man.
Asamoah Gyan, a wise man.
Who the others attend?
Asamoah Gyan, a wise man.
Because to be a political party.
That is their opinion.
And to for known and to for no can say Nasinum being an NDC person. Nenum or release recently. They were trending.
NDC doesn't mean NDC man.
Why NDC?
No, wait. Who can say? Let's have a conversation. Nana, let's have a conversation. Nana, let's have a conversation. Nana, let's have a conversation.
Omumi say omutunyu tietia pride.
Keche.
No pride.
Tietia na babontin.
Nana, let me have a conversation.
Somebody has come out to say.
Nana,
me say.
So it's an insult to those people.
Nana, me say. Asamoah Gyan is a wise man.
Fantastic.
Change the way.
No, you cannot change the way.
If you feel that you are not a wise man, problem, and you me problem. I am describing Asamoah Gyan as a wise man because he has decided to take a decision for his own self.
For himself. That's
We're taking a decision. Say, I am not affiliated. I am not.
Why did you decide?
I am not affiliated to any political party. Mini party he gave out his expert opinion on people wanting to have
on manifesto.
That is it. Nana Mitie stations a friend me interview. I'm not affiliated to that station. Haven't any station called you to sort your opinion?
Yes,
You've spoken to other platforms. Do you belong to that party? Do you belong to that station? No, me make it a specific.
But they called you to give an expert opinion.
One by one.
Yes.
I will not go. By the virtue of the same attitude of Ghanaians. If me, I am called by NDC, which a BSc pen. I have been called by NPP, a BSc pen. I've taken a decision.
Yeah.
That's it.
That decision that I took would have and it will not make me I'm not affiliated.
That is a very good point.
I rejected both.
Nana.
Press conference.
Nana, you see?
When the president be interview me, political party campaign say,
But so they declare stand there.
Nana, when you were with Lordina Mahama, you were part of the press corps.
As a journalist, I was assigned by my media house. Yes,
you were part of Lordina Mahama's press corps.
Yes,
fantastic. So at that period, you went.
I was part of John Mahama's press corps.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So at that period, you went to work for
John as a journalist.
As a member of the press corps,
you are watching
as a journalist who was assigned
to John Dramani Mahama.
That didn't make you a member.
Did that make you a member of John Dramani Mahama?
Masolo making a point.
Let me make my point. Me say, you were part of Lordina Mahama's press corps. You were part of John Dramani Mahama's press corps. In the end, you were not a member of John Dramani Mahama's NDC. You went to do your job as a journalist.
Yes.
Fantastic. Asamoah Gyan is a bona fide property of the nation. He has his intellectual property, which is intelligence. Somebody contacts me. Asamoah Gyan, we want you to lead your campaign, the side that you pay your sports, because of who we yes sports na wonim football munti and I wonim sports munti believe your campaign side no boy ne build the sports aspect. Why na dwuma wi
or seek for expert opinion.
Why na dwuma wa ba ye wie.
I don't find anything wrong with that.
Oye dwuma ni wie ye no. O say
we wie
me ye me dwuma. O feel say wanye fair to Ghanaians because a lot of people raise concerns about the affiliations. Now I want to make it clear.
That is where my point is.
I want to make it clear. I am a son of the land. I am an icon, a mentor, a role model to the youth and the people of Ghana. Today, I as a mother want to tell the world that I am not affiliated to any political party, whether you are CPP, whether you are PPP, whether you are GUM or whatever.
That message was
I as Asamoah Gyan, I am going to do my work as a humanitarian.
Okay.
So what point
why I feel there's something. That Mama coming there. The fact that he went to work with them, I don't have a problem.
Sure.
Me say who soon sounds one. That is why I gave you an example that me. I've been accused as NDC, so accused as NPP.
But you said you are not an NPP.
As a journalist.
But you said you are not
an NPP. I didn't make.
You said you are not an NPP.
Unless you believe said the American never won. Me say, Asamoah Gyan, I am saying and stating.
Why are you not helping the conversation, brother?
When you were doing that to me,
I kept mute, my brother. I gave you that respect. What are you trying to do here? Mama Kwenim.
Me say.
Producer who need time ya menye the church of sasa now so just yes sports near we.
Me say. The American say there's nothing wrong with
going for
I didn't have any problem.
Fantastic.
With it. But ukwano unim say kwa ukwano ensunsanso Ghana as a journalist. Si e kase kodi president bi ati kura no a ensunsanso
yeah.
Enti you will suffer down sunsanso. I will not come and write say I am not affiliated to this party. If you write, then you are giving people reasons to believe probably they were right in saying say
no,
you were with them.
Yeah, bibi na trigger nti
a
fair comment.
Because I feel say kwa professional job. We are no esi. Assembly am
yeah.
Obi amo.
Yeah.
Ye who were political grounds and I say be our campaign stage show. Campaigning Emanado and I say NAPO. Ye who sa yet. And today, then the baby.
That is
Mama Kwaku trust why you from so. You are then saying you even made a mistake in even going to write something for the manifesto.
So yeah.
Although those things you wrote were fantastic ideas, that will help whether NDC or NPP, Ghanaian youth, they are in force. What you wrote for the NPP.
Yeah.
Therefore, you are telling Ghana for any baby no fantastic manifesto. Say. Even that one, you made a mistake. And that is where my problem is.
That is it.
That is wrong. Why did you write? There was no need. So what do?
It's not about 7 years.
If I have an
producer
opinion, if me opinion now, this is what I also have to say. Say first a discourse like this, constructive. Asamoah Gyan, whether you like it or not. It has to do with something called critical thinking. Obia won your opinion to whatever it is. Asamoah Gyan was called as a professional, that is my assumption, was called as a professional person, well experienced in the body of sports. Say, on find expert opinion and famra. Except otherwise, say, ye nim, and what confirm say, or ye card bearing member of the ruling party, the NPP. Say enter sadia, then no NABS packet that controversy. But or no any expert opinion at the core or see a jumana the man why. But the impression people have say Bia or NPP Nino. He has come out to clarify and to say or no, he is not affiliated to this ruling party.
Okay, ruling or see any
political party. So be it. It's you Asamoah Gyan as a professional person who gives an expert opinion on his field. And no, because anybody at all, or experience or professional can be called upon at any point in time. Say, for expert opinion, for my this topic I discussing.
Mate, you okay? After
me okay, but what do you come?
1 minute.
Yeah, there are questions we need to ask before we conclude on this matter. One, first of all, maybe say Asamoah Gyan before this statement. No one saw your dead political party.
No, you can't remember that.
No, that is the first question I asked.
Okay.
And there are people saying out there, say, based on one or two staffs in so we have not established say Asamoah Gyan a card bearing member of the NPP.
Yes.
So in as much say me solo bibiano, you bet me out on suffer and say, but yeah, mama institution we know. Asamoah Gyan was right to have accepted so the manifesto a sports sector. That is true. Until now that is bringing out this statement. Maybe when he say one or person Mary Asia Fane in say criticism any mindset or a member of this political party or person claim from him say and yes sir, but or say an icon of the game. That's my opinion.
Yo, waiting for Wayne reporter about the tour so because GC News so and our heno so we can subscribe ya Omodia say we subscribe to the channel. Now so what like video to give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer so now when you be here now and someone also essentially had the latest and hot news in Kwana the promo. Also get me actually what Gyamfi and somewhere now work comment box over in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.